Hi everyone, my name is Agnes Collera, your Las Vegas Realtor. Today I'm here in one of the KB Homes community landings at Talos, and we are going to tour the Plan 2069. This is a two-story home, has 4 bedroom, 2.5 bath, and 2-car garage, and starting price is 451,990. Depending on the elevation, the lot premium, it could go up. Let's go check inside what this house to offer. Welcome to 2069 plan. As soon as you get in, you will be greeted with this nice foyer. This is the garage, but it's closed. You're looking at your staircase. Now, you're looking at your modern kitchen. It features this granite island. It was extended to a breakfast bar. Nice cabinets, nice countertop, plenty of space. Right here is your living room. This is very spacious. It's nice and open, very bright. You're looking at your dining room right here. Very nice. And you'll see this sliding door leading to your backyard. Normally when you get a KB home, you have the option of having the covered patio, and also it comes with a dirt lot when you get the house. There's a lot of space to relax. This side right here is your powder room. It comes with a pedestal sink. And right outside there's a linen closet. And also on this side is your coat closet. Now this is a large pantry, perfect for storing your food supplies. Now let's go upstairs and check the rest of the house. Right here is the loft area. You can always convert this to a gaming room or a music room. Now this side is where all your secondary bedroom is located. This is the secondary bathroom. It comes with dual undermount sink and your bathtub and shower combo. This is one of the secondary bedrooms. I love the large window. We added these lights and your sliding closet here. There's another bedroom over here on the side. One large window. These pendant lights. And this room has a walk-in closet. And they added a window inside the closet. And here is another bedroom. Large window, sliding closet, another light. Now let's go check your laundry area. This is your laundry room. Washer and dryer is not included. I love that they added this large window. Right outside is your linen closet. This is the primary bedroom. Love that they added 2 large windows. Very spacious. We also installed 2 hoses lights. Love this flooring. I love this black accent that they use. The bathtub is an option. Right here is your water closet. And on this side, it's a large walk-in closet. Very spacious. We also added 2 Mrs. lights inside this walk-in closet. Again, this is the Plan 2069. Starting price is $451,590. This 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and 2-car garage. If you are interested of owning one of the KB homes, you can contact me at 310-848-5693. Normally, in your first visit, you will need a realtor, a real estate agent to represent you. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit subscribe and share my video. The HOA in this community is $65. Thank you for watching.